Hello everyone! In this video, I will guide you on how to fix the sponsor block this merchant issue on Cash App. First, open your Cash App and tap the profile icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and go to the support section. Tap on the chat option located at the bottom of your screen. In the chat box, type the following message. Tap the Send button. Wait for a response from the Cash App support team. They are the only ones who can unblock a merchant or fix this issue on your account. Be polite and clear in your communication and follow any instructions they gave to resolve the problem. And that's it. That's how to fix the sponsor block this merchant issue on Cash App. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.